Oppo recently launched Oppo K1 under a new K series of smartphones in India. Oppo K1 is priced at Rs 17,000 and is the cheapest phone with under-display fingerprint sensor. The phone is also aggressively priced, and this is the reason I decided to buy and try it. Hey guys, I'm Dipankar back with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing the unboxing of Oppo K1 and then I will talk about design, build and other features of this smartphone. This is the retail unit of Oppo K1, and before anything else, let's do the unboxing and see what are the unboxed content. This is the first look of brand new Oppo K1. It is the astral blue that blends blue and magenta pink colors with gold camera rims. The gradient look is really beautiful. The phone has full frontal display with teardrop notch at the top and narrow bezels on the sides. The power key sits on the right side. It has volume keys on the left along with SIM card tray that can house 2 nano SIM cards and a micro SD card. It has a speaker, micro USB and headphone jack on the base side. Dual camera setup is on the top left side of the back panel and Oppo's branding is on the center side. The back has glossy and reflective finish. Phone is also quite slippery, but you get a back cover within the box to keep the phone safe. The phone looks and feels premium. The phone comes with 6.41 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display and display has water drop notch. The display is one of the key points of the phone because there are only a few phones offering AMOLED panel in this price segment. The display is crisp and vibrant. It also has good brightness level and nice viewing angles. The screen of the phone is also protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The phone runs on ColorOS 5.2 based on Android Oreo. The UI comes with lots of bloatware and heavy customizations, and this is the reason I am not a fan of this UI. There are also so many custom features like clone apps, game space and split screen. I will talk about software features and experience in the review video. The phone packs 1.95 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor with 4GB of RAM. This setup is best choice for a phone of this price segment. In initial usage, I found it snappy and responsive. We have already seen the power of this chipset in Realme 2 Pro and Zenfone Max Pro M2, so I am hopeful that this phone will also perform similar and will offer good gaming experience. It also has 64GB of storage that can be expanded up to 256GB. Due to bloatwares, you only get around 46GB of storage to use. Oppo K1 has a dual camera on the back that includes 16 megapixels primary and 2 megapixels secondary camera. It also has 25 megapixels front camera. The camera has AI beautification. Sadly, there is no EIS, but it can shoot in 4K. Here are few camera samples that I captured using the front and rear camera of Oppo K1. I will talk more about the camera in the final review of the phone. The phone has under-display fingerprint sensor that works quite well. It is fast and accurate. The phone also has face unlock option that is also really fast. The phone comes with dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, micro USB and GPS-like connectivity options. It also packs 3600 mAh battery. Oppo K1 looks promising with premium design, AMOLED display, powerful specifications and under-display fingerprint sensor. No Type-C port and lack of fast charging are also few downsides, but overall, this phone is impressive. This was the initial impressions of Oppo K1 after checking it for few hours. I will test the phone and will bring the full review by next week. If you have any specific question about the phone, you can ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss the final review of Oppo K1. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.